the object that can talk. Dance. Walk on water and operate as a police officer. And is revered. This is Zing Bto from Accra's beaches in Ghana to Togo and Benin, and is the primary police force of the Voodoo religion. The night guard is more like Batman. They are supernaturally possessed entities, and participating in this dance ensures that villagers will be safe from both evil spirits and wicked individuals. The mask spinning motion is both a display of power and a sign of the village's spiritual purification. Let's find out what is actually within the Zing Bto. Nothing is within, and it is completely empty on the inside. If it's empty, how does it manage to dance and perform police duties? The night watchman spirit, in fact, is what the Voodoo people claim is inside, and is what is making it do all of the job. Does this imply that spirits are real? The Zing Bto magical performances are. Nonetheless, it guarantees that the Zing Bto is the master of the night, and the villager's guardian in a way that is beyond human comprehension. They are revered and incensed as they spin in a way that frightens away evil spirits. In exchange, they present the villages with presents like chocolates, miniature versions of themselves, crabs, snakes, and even toys. In addition to being skilled dancers, they can walk on water. According to a tale of the Ogu people, the people wearing the costumes are actually nighttime spirits. The Zing Btos are regarded as the community's traditional police or security personnel in Ogu culture. They are claimed to be members of a secret club that is exclusive to Zing Bto or Voodoo believers and adherents. Zing Bto is thought to possess spiritistic and magical powers, including the ability to frighten even witches, and consume glass shards without suffering any harm. According to legend, when the Zing Bto are in a trance, they summon a force that predated the existence of humans and gives the Ogu people wisdom and continuity. What do you presume to be within the Zing Bto then? Please feel free to comment and like, it really helps the channel.